bang dapat gawin kapag na-diagnose with placenta previa? Hi, Dokan here, your board-certified obstetrician gynecologist. When we say placenta previa, this means that the placenta or yung inulnan ng baby is low-lying, mababa ang location. It's either partial or totally covering the cervical os. And the usual symptoms is painless bleeding. Maaaring magising or bigla mo na lang na-notice na may dugo na, walang pain. Okay? So if you are diagnosed may placenta previa, here's what your OBGYN recommends. First is no intimate contact with your husband or partner. Hindi din pwedeng gumamit ng tampons or any internal examination down there. Number 2 is to avoid lifting heavy objects. Huwag nang masyadong magkarga. Anyway, buntis naman kayo, mahihirapan na talaga. Kasama din dito ang huwag nang masyadong mag-engage in any intense physical activities. Number 3 is you have to regularly visit your obstetrician gynecologist para magawa ang ultrasound at ma-monitor ang location ng inyong placenta. Number 4 is watch out for bleeding. Kung masyadong malakas, then go to the nearest hospital ASAP. And number 5, if talagang placenta previa pa rin hanggang sa malapit sa kabuwanan, then dapat ischedule ang cesarean section. Placenta previa can sound scary, but with proper care, you and your baby can be safe. Share this with every moms-to-be because this can save life. I hope this helps. Bye!